Stage 1 tanks pressing for play.
T-minus 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff. Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
So rises a new era of flight,
Stage 1
and with it
propulsion is
the
nominal.
ambitions of a new generation continuing the dream. 20 seconds into flight, stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
T plus 30 seconds into this historic mission, and look at them go!
M1D throttle down.
We're throttling down to get ready for the period of maximum dynamic pressure. Reports say all systems are go.
What you're seeing on your screen is a live view of our drone ship. We'll wait for confirmation of that landing shortly here.
Falcon 9 first stage successfully landed.
And there you can see on your screen, Falcon 9 has landed. So very exciting for us.
We're throttling back up to full power as we're through max Q.
Copy, 1 Bravo.
Vehicle is supersonic. .444. 19, we're nearly out of fuel, so.
So are we coming in for a landing?
One more run back to the sun.
Towards the sun, yeah? Right towards us.
We're going towards the lake, right over the top, heavy, nice and high. So we get to 500, 480, 490, 502. Engines off.
Okay. So you're coming in this end then?
A kilometre away, engine off. And I was thinking too fast.
Okay. How far away are you?
Too far. Too far. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you're in! Oh, that's great.
Ah, he's level. It's on the ground. We got the 500. We did it, mate.
Sweet work.
Corona bump. Yes, mate. We did it.